Do you know? The closer the wireless transmission antenna is to the ground, the shorter the transmission distance. Today, a customer visited our factory to test our equipment's performance, transmission distance, and anti-interference ability. As per his requirement, the transmitter and antenna are 30 centimeters from the ground, and the receiver and antenna are 80 centimeters from the ground. The wireless transmission system used for ground robot vehicles or remote-controlled cars needs to have 3 functions. 1. Send the video from the transmitters for cameras to the receiver. The operator of the receiver can select any one video of the 4-way channels, or combine the 4 videos on one display. 2. Through the built-in 2-way transceiver data transmission system. The operating instructions for controlling the transmitter sent from the receiver can be transmitted to the transmitter. At the same time, the real-time position of the transmitter and the data collected by the detection sensor are transmitted to the receiver. 3. Through the built-in 2-way audio voice system. You can have 2-way voice calls communication, or you can use the microphone and speaker installed on the transmitter to broadcast from the receiver to the transmitter or monitor the transmitter's sound.